gonna show you guys what I do with the toolkit that come with the diamond picture. What I do with it, because I see a lot of people ask that, but yeah, I'm just gonna show you. And then you guys can get some kind of idea how many pictures I have, and like mostly of them are done, and that's only my pictures. That's not even my mother's pictures. So I organized this very long time ago. Excuse the mess. Usually I'm not this messy. Okay, so this is multiply stuff that you put on your pen. This comes with the pens that you buy, like this pens. Just get it. And I will link down below where I buy all the stuff. So when I bought this pen, I got it came with multiple placers, and then obviously with a single placer. Now, okay. So you guys all know what your typical toolkit looks like. Your pink wax, your green boat, and your pink pen, and some extra baggies in a Ziploc baggie. Okay. Yeah, I already showed that. Oh, that's why it's falling out. The Ziploc bag is not closed. So the extra bag is what I get. I take a big Ziploc baggie and I just stuff them inside. Like, go in there. Go in. And you too. So that's what I do. I put them in there. So let me show you guys what I do. So this is all my green boats. Lovely, hey? Okay. Okay, so take it out, check out. I keep this for in case one of them getting full, so that I have an extra baggie to put stuff in. So I put that in there, go. And then I take this, like this, and I have a bigger Ziploc baggie. And I put them in here, and I'm done with it. Sorry. I take my pink wax. Now I have a baggie full of pink wax, different colors, blue, purple, and then your pink wax. I open up, put them in, make sure all the air's out so that I can keep them moist and not drying out, because I don't want dry wax. Yeah, so I have a lifetime saving of wax just buying the diamond paintings. So yeah, I don't need them. I don't need to buy extra wax, but I do want to try out Patty wax. I want to try out her brick and her sticky wax that came in steel container. Okay, so this tip that comes on a pink pen, it can come out. So let me quickly take this out. Yeah, I'm quickly gonna take this out. So I'm gonna show you. So I took it out. Sorry, I quickly needed to go somewhere. So I took it out. It basically, you see, it's on, and then you just pull it out. Now it's stuck there very good. So yeah, you need to pull hard. You need to have muscles. Or just ask your husband or your boyfriend or someone who's strong. This, yeah, dustband. I don't use that. I take single placer, put it in here with all my other single placer because I can use that again in my paints. Close this up, put it in there. Take my green boat, put it with all the rest of the green boats. Actually, I don't know what to do with the green boats. I just keep it for in case I getting an idea what to do with it. So if you do have an idea what I can do with this, please leave it down in the comment down below. I would like to know, because now at this moment it's only taking space. So this I put my completed Daimond paintings pictures in here in a Ziploc baggie with notes in the bag to know what happened and all of that kind of stuff. Let me know down in a comment down below. Sorry, if you guys would like just to see what I had done already for the last 2 years. Even notice that I only started YouTube a week ago, almost a week ago. And you want to see what I did before I even created YouTube channel. So, close that up. And while I'm here, take this picture, put it in there, and close it up. Then put it back where it belongs. Now, washi tape doesn't come with our toolkit or Daimond paintings, so I buy them, and I will show you down. I will link it down in the comments below where I bought it. I just want to get all the colors, the same color. Wow, I have 3 of them. Wow, I really need to check my washi tape before I buy more. I'll put that there, that one there. I'm just sorting them out. And what's this? Oh, yeah, you see. And I jump out. I organized a long time ago back my stuff, so a lot of stuff what is in here that doesn't belong in here. So just quickly sorting it out while I'm on it. Sorry guys. I know some of you guys don't like to see people struggle, but unfortunately I'm one of them. Sometimes I'm lucky and don't struggle. Other times it's just an unlucky day. And today is one of them. Alright. My finger is not long enough. Get longer. Struggles is a reality. Okay, so I'm gonna show first this ones. So here I have all the grey colors. This one is very glitter. So that one also glittery. And that one polka dots. Polka dots. Music, symbols and stars. I don't know, one of the designs, another design. And a pink glittery one. And then a rainbow color one. And that one step is falling off, so I'm just gonna put them back. Then all my greens and blues and gold. So green glittery one, star one, another glittery star one, glittery triangle, printing heart and glittery printing, another triangle printing, a green glittery one, and like a mermaid skill washi tape. So yeah, that's it. This one is in yara yara. That can go back. No, I don't want that in there. Okay, so I put them all here so they know what a struggle today. And this is my light. I put it in a plug and it's shining a bright light. Yay! I can see what's going on in the dark because you get a lot of load sheddings. Not that actually is gonna help because now I realize that's not gonna help because we get load shedding and power comes from our people who give our power, and that's Eskom. So if that is using electricity, then it's not gonna work. So then I use this one that comes with batteries. Yeah, that's the one what I want actually to show when there's no electricity. The diamond knots in the dark, because this is South Africa and we get some lot of load shedding. Sorry. And this is where I put all my drawers that I want to keep and edit on some diamond paintings to make it my own DIY diamond painting. So yes, that is that. Yes, I didn't start great off with the YouTube, but I want to say I hope you guys feeling welcome on my channel. I hope you guys liking my channel. If you have some additions for me, advice or things that you guys want to see or to change or not change, but something like that, just let me know down in the comment down below, and I will try my very best to keep my YouTubers happy, because that's what I want, a happy YouTuber what is watching and subscribing. So please consider to subscribe, like, and comment down below and share, because that will help my channel a lot, and that will mean the world for me, because at this moment I have a goal to reach. Just to know you guys why I'm asking. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great, fantastic week, and see you next time. Bye.
Look into my eyes and show me your adventures.